Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode the concept of onto function and into function. So, first we will try to understand onto function. Okay, this onto function is also called as surjective function. Okay, you have to memorize the word because this is important. Okay, so while dealing with onto into function, what you have to do, you have to find out the range. Okay, so find out the range first. If your range is equal to codomain, if your range is equal to codomain, then we can call it as onto function. Okay, then it will be called as onto function. Otherwise, it is into function. Okay, like into function. So what we will do? Again, we will find out the range. And suppose that the range is not equal to codomain, means range is the subset. Okay. Range is the subset of codomain. Range is not equal to codomain, then it is into function. Okay. So whenever they will talk about onto into function, you have to find out the range. If the range is equal, it is onto. If range is not equal, it is into. Okay, means you have to focus on the second set is called as domain, codomain. Every element of second set is involved. This means it is onto function. If some element of second set is involved, it is into function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.